Oh. How's it going, guys? This is my 1996 Ford F-150. We got a whole playlist on this channel about this truck. We've done a lot of cold starts over this winter, and this video is not going to be any different. So sit back, relax, and let's see if this old Ford can start back up in the Canadian North. It's about -17 Celsius out today. A little bit cold. Hopefully one of the last times it's going to be this cold throughout the entire year. It's starting to warm up, fellers. Spring's on the way. It's almost time to take this thing out. So yeah, let's start it up and let's get at it. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. Now, it ain't no secret, fellers. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, I always keep the battery off this truck, always disconnected when I'm not using it, so it doesn't run it dry, and, you know, it's good for the whole entire year. Well, as you can see, I didn't do it on this time. But for everyone that's new, it's a 460 big block with a T19 4-speed cast iron transmission. So this truck runs down the highway doing 110 kilometers an hour, screaming and leaking oil like it's running for its life. But that's okay. We got big block power and big block torque, and, you know, today, big block fuel consumption. With gas prices being what they are, you might as well light your money on fire. But yeah, we're going to start this up. Let's get at it. Oh, it's getting to be about that time, fellas, where driving this truck down the road is one of the things I'm really looking forward to till summer. It's going to be great. It's going to be a great time. I can't wait. So yeah, let's start it up for you guys today. Hasn't been warmed up in a little bit. So let's turn the key, let's pump the pedal, let's get this big block back to life. Well, there you go, guys. Started right up, didn't really fight us or anything. It's a good old truck. No real complaints for it. And, you know, I can't wait to take it out again. It's going to be the first year with the short bed conversion on it and the side pipes, but just listen to that. You know, that's one thing about this truck. The old truck runs richer than Elon Musk, and I be jumping. You don't need no off to keep the mosquitoes away when you're running this thing, especially at wide open throttle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and to all the new fellers and fellettes that are here, I hope you guys like the channel. Keep watching. There's new videos coming real soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, have a good one.